Hey, Bri, I forgot one of the presents. It was too big to wrap. I left it at Grandma's. Graham, come see. It's a hockey bag.
Whoa, cool. Oh, cool.
See?
Awesome.
Oh, what's inside? What's inside?
A cat.
Dog. The dog.
What's this?
Read the card.
What is that?
My puppy.
I just want to take them out.
It's a puppy. Read the card.
To Brian and Graham. Hi, I'm Rudy. Merry Christmas 2011. Love, Mommy and Daddy. It's a little game. Thanks so much.
This is our new puppy, Graham.
Let's take that off.
This is baby Rudy.
Take that off.
This is baby Rudy.
And then you can play with him.
Are you
And you got the bag as well.
Yeah, and the hockey bag.
And the hockey bag. Hi, baby Rudy.
This is baby Rudy. This is Daddy.
Hello.
Yeah, I can take this off. Poor baby Rudy. He's already put up with so much.
Oh.
Oh, what's that?
How old is he?
Actually, get me some. I tied this on too well.
How old is he?
Where are you? Is 5
It's like
weeks.
3 pairs right in
There's
front of your
like 8
face.
pairs of them right in front of you.
Shut up.